Ah, damn. You only went and fed.
Head to a 1081 in Central, Doherty. Suspect last seen on foot.
Carl, it's Woozy. I've got some information for you.
Hey, Woozy, what's the business?
My man found that van you were looking for by the helipad downtown.
And Toreno?
Yep, he's there. Apparently he's about to take some merchandise and cut up a helicopter. They've already started loading boxes.
Something about Toreno don't add up. Holler back if you hear something.
You look so good.
Trust me, lady. I really don't care.
You ain't too friendly.
Hey, how's it going?
Yes!
Have you been to Secret Valley?
Not in my lifetime.
Take it easy, man.
Goodbye, sir.
My gang is like my family, homie.
Hey.
Well, hello there.
I can only sleep on an easy lay bed.
That's great.
Have you tried a plug?
Nope.
See you in my dreams.
See you later, sweet cheeks. Am I the only one who doesn't screw everything up?
Catalina, is that you again?